Hello, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Splinterlands token on Trustwallet. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe our channel because we need to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So first of all, go and subscribe our channel and then let's move to our topic. First, I want to tell you guys that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy this new token. Go to CoinMarketCap. Click the search bar and type Splinterlands. This is our new token, and then check the analytics and decide you want to buy or not. After you make the decision, then close CoinMarketCap, and now you need to open Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free and then go through verification. After you go through verification, then open Trustwallet, and now you should buy BNB, because to buy Splinterlands token you need to swap your BNB. So go to BNB, click buy and enter the amount of money you want to pay. After you buy BNB, then close Trustwallet and go back to CoinMarketCap. Copy the contract address here, click the copy icon and then go back to Trustwallet. Now you should go to dApps, choose Pancakeswap. Don't forget to click connect button in the top right corner and choose Trustwallet. Then click select currency, paste the contract address we copied in the CoinMarketCap and click import. I understand, import, and then choose the amount of Splinterlands token and swap your BNB to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe our channel because we need to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible to turn on the monetization.